What's up guys, it's John from TechSpace, and today I am pumped because we've got another RC car to unbox. Let's get into it. And this specific one is one that I've been having my eyes on for quite a while, but the price was just always a little bit out of reach. And now, a couple of weeks ago, this specific car, for the first time I've ever seen it on sale in New Zealand, and I thought I might just get one. The price went from 1,499 New Zealand dollars to 1,199 New Zealand dollars. So it's a $300 saving. And when I saw that, I was just like, let's get in. I'm going to get into that and get myself one of those. So without further ado, it is a Arrma Mojave. Damn, I am excited about this. So as you can see guys, it's another big RC. It's 1/7 scale, and I've really been looking forward to this. I've actually had the car since 2 days ago, but I was still waiting on my batteries to arrive from a different hobby store, and I didn't want to unbox it without the batteries being here. So let's crack open this puppy. Just need my trusty knife. Okay guys, so there is the shell of the box. I've decided to get this color, which is the navy blue, red and black version. I just like that one more than the green or yellowish type of a construction worker color. Yeah, I just wear enough high-vis during the day, so didn't want to go with a RC car that looks like me during the day as well. So it's the Arrma Mojave guys, like I said earlier. It is a 6S BLX vehicle, and it's from our very durable friends at Arrma. As you guys know, I don't even have to tell the story again, but my Arrma Granite Mega version 3 brushless conversion is the best skateboard basher to me personally. I just love that thing, and now I've got my second Arrma that I currently have in my collection. Okay guys, it says that we've got a 60 mph max speed that we can reach. Again, that will be with optional gearing. And as you can see guys, I mean, who doesn't like a desert Baja type of vehicle? I mean, these things are just awesome. I used to have a Senton version 2 Mega, and I just loved it. It just took the bash, it just took the crash, it just was an absolute beast at the skate park. This is apparently also one of the most durable things that you can operate with a controller. So it's ready to run. So there you can see, got the red and black version as the sticker indicates there. So let's look at a couple of things here as well. Not gonna spend too much time on it guys, but multi-finish with a matte finish with a glossy body. You've got stronger body mounts. You've got some nice real internal lifelike type of occupants or drivers sitting inside of the cabin. You've got your red wheels with your black tires, and this is the Fortress tires, that's what Arrma is calling it. Then you've also got your large volume waterproof, it's a waterproof receiver box, and we've got some enhanced electronics. As you can see, you've got a metal servo, you've got a Spectrum ESC, got some good articulated suspension here, stronger body mounts, got a center brace, realistic cockpit detail, got some oil-filled shocks. Very good guys. But again, for more on this technical stuff, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find more information on that. Okay guys, so let's open this puppy up. Right, let's get this box out first. Okay, it seems like it is tied down with some zip ties. What do you guys think? I know this is a popular part, so let me just do it. You guys would like to see it. beautiful. It is beautiful. Wow. Right. Before we look at the car, let's quickly see what's inside this box. Okay, so we've got one of these typical goodies bags that usually come with these RC cars. We've got some bubble wrap. And we have got the SLT3 radio or controller from Spectrum. And that is the empty box. Alright, so let's quickly look at the controller. Alright, and you will need 4 AA batteries for your controller. You've got a nice foam touch wheel on the controller as well. You've got a forward backwards, doesn't feel too bad. Got different speed ratings as here, so you can have it on 50%, 75% or 100%. You've got a power on off button. This side you've got your throttle, your steering and your status of your controller. Okay guys, so yeah, it's a basic controller, very nice, feels nice, feels good in the hand, impressive stuff. So let's look what is inside of our goodies bag. Okay guys, so you've got your instruction manual and there's some good information in here as well guys, to how to set up everything with your controller and how everything works. And you've also got a parts blowout section for all of the parts that you've got on the vehicle. And just a reminder guys, this is for all 4 of them, the Creighton, the Typhon, the Mojave and the Notorious, all part of the 6S BLX lineup. Any parts that you might require, you'll find everything in here. Alright, so that is the instruction manual. You've got a little toolkit, and there you can see you've got a little hex nut, a smaller hex nut, you've got a couple of Allen keys. Alright, so this is not bad. You've got a optional speed gear or pinion as it's called. Okay, you've got a couple of these. I'm not too sure what this is. Add extra shim for tighter mesh gear. So there's extra shim. Then you've got a nice Arrma decal sheet. And you've got the information about the speed gearing and the off-road and for which surfaces the speed gears are. You've got some battery information and what works with the Arrma smart technology. This has got a 150 amp ESC. But yeah, that's also some good information. And then you've got your warranty information. Alright guys, let's get all of this crap off of the table and let's look at why we are here. Let's look at the body first. So there you can see is the top side with all of the details. It's quite impressive. There's the side. There's the other side. There's the back. And there is the front. Vents here for air to go out of the vehicle's body from underneath all the heat to escape. You've got 2 makeshift fire extinguishers and a couple of other little details here. I wish it would have had one of those spare tire mounts on here as well. That would have looked awesome, like the Traxxas UR, but it still looks very good. And I just think this red color is absolutely awesome. With this blue, it just looks fantastic. Really nice. The details on this is excellent. There is some roof skids or roof protectors on there, so when you turn it upside down, which I'm guessing there will be a lot of that, you've at least got some protection as well. But yeah, the details is really good on this body. There's an amazing amount of detail. There's the other side of the body as well. Okay, so let's put the body to the side. Suspension test. Let's feel it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's so nice. Alright, so you'll see underneath you've got a metal chassis. Got your center differential gearing there. You've got a nice brace here in the middle. You've got 2 batteries, so you can either do a single 6S battery or you can do 2 3S batteries with EC5 or IC5 connectors. And you've got a Spectrum servo. You've got some nice oil-filled shocks. Got a front bumper, back bumper, nice suspension arms. You've got some sway bars as well. That's very good, and it seems like there is lots of space for batteries on this one as well. I'm not too sure if this battery tray is extendable. We'll have to see. You've got a motor without a fan on this one. So there is a little heatsink on the motor, but there is no fan. And you've got your ESC again, guys, and everything here looks really solidly built. It is quite a heavy vehicle, EXB compatible, so you can do all of the EXB stuff on this as well. What I like about this bump in the front is that this is actually rubber. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's actual rubber on the front here, which actually adds to that realistic look that this vehicle has. You've got your Fortress snobby tires, and again, guys, you've got some really good grip on these. You've got your 17mm hexes on here. There's your center brace, aerial full receiver. Alright, guys, so I've seen a lot of people put foam in underneath here for the body mounts. I'm guessing that it's quite important to break these body mounts. I'll definitely have some of that foam included on this. And yeah, guys, it's a really nice car. Can't wait to take it out. Let's quickly put the body back. I really think the look with this body on is just mean. It really looks like it's just going to down the desert. Another thing is you'll see that it's got these Velcro strips on the sides of the body as well. Right, so let's quickly put this on again, and again look at the overall look of the car.
You don't gotta doubt it, I climb any mountain to make you believe that I will go the distance, 'cause there ain't no limits between you and me. And I don't know where you've been lately, and times have changed, the world's gone crazy.
Alright, guys, let's quickly look at the batteries that I bought with the car. So these batteries cost me $97.50 each. That's New Zealand. Let's open it up. Right, so let's take it out of the box. Okay, guys, so there they are. It is a hard case lipo, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it actually looks awesome. It's got a see-through look on it. And obviously, guys, you've got your EC5 plug, and this battery has got a 50C discharge, and it is a 3S power pack with 5000 milliamp hours. And again, guys, you want to see the size. And what else did we get in here as well? So we've got a leopard power stick, the battery information and general precautions and how to charge it safely and for long storage, all of that kind of stuff, which is really nice, guys. This is the first batteries that I see that actually come with this, which is really good. And with this, that I didn't show you, I got 2 additional LiPo bags. Obviously more batteries that I bought recently. Okay guys, and there is the 2 packs that I'm going to be using with this vehicle. So 2 3S batteries, 5000 milliamp hours each, and it's got a 50C discharge rating. And I think these guys are really going to work nicely with this vehicle. Alright. Okay guys, so let me know in the comments down below what you think about this Mojave. It's really beautiful. Look, since the first time I saw the version 2, I really wanted one, and I'm glad that I finally have one, and it really does look as good as everyone on YouTube has said it looks in real life. It's an absolute stunning vehicle, and I can't wait to get it out there and get it bashing. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a like. Also subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell. Stay tuned to the channel guys. Make sure that you are constantly watching my videos to get updates on how that prize giveaway is going to work. It is not going to be a competition, it's going to be a giveaway. I'll give all of the details later, but yeah, stay with the channel and make sure that you put yourself in the best possible position to be able to win that prize. Okay guys, and anyways, enough rambling and bambling. I'm John from TechSpace, and we will see you in the next one. Keep on bashing guys. Cheers.